What's up guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Gus and this is Calirebuildables. Okay guys, you can see this is where we left off. I'm gonna start assembling installing the fenders and stuff like that. So let's continue on to part 2 or 3 of the SRT rebuild, of the SRT conversion. We're gonna do a clone out of a Jeep Laredo into a Jeep SRT8. Okay guys, so right here I'm just trying to push the radiator support to one side because it got bent. So that was a quick fix repair. Now with the fender I'm trying to align everything, and the good thing that on this side there wasn't that much damage. Most of the damage was on the driver's side, so this fender fits perfect. Now on the other side, as you can see, I'm trying to align the hood and everything, so everything falls in part perfectly guys. The only thing that was bent a bit was the radiator support. Okay guys, quick update. I had to unbolt this right here because this weren't matching, so I had to loosen this one and scoot it over a little bit, as you can see, and that one too, so that way I could pull this out and it got this thing moved. But now this thing's not matching, so I unbolted those. And I'm gonna see if I could pull everything here and that one down too this way with the hydraulic press thing. So now this one matches, so that's what I'm gonna keep on doing on every single. Okay guys, so I got a load of parts from the wrecked SRT8 that are getting ready to be installed on my Jeep, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so I got this one installed. As soon as I install the other one, I'm gonna show you how they look, how they light up. Check them out guys. What do you think? I really like the way they look. They look way better than the original ones, especially because of the LED around it. That's pretty cool. Check out the blinkers. Let me know in the comment section what do you guys think. Let me show you guys how they look turned off. Okay, so now they're off. As you can see, the projector looks pretty cool. Fenders are on, the interior is on. As you can see, I'm not gonna show you that much, but there they are. Let me know what you guys think of the rear seats guys. Check them out, man, they look nice. The front ones are faded, but I got something planned for them. The rear ones look like new guys, but overall it's coming out okay. Let me show you guys the front bumper. I want to install it, but I don't have all the brackets. There it is. I guess I'm just gonna try it on just to see how it looks. So that's how it looks. It's just holding on with right now, it's just hanging. It's not permanent. Okay, this is the next day guys, and as you can see, I'm removing the top part because the radiator is broken. I added some fluids and they started leaking, so here I am installing the new radiator. I also tried the AC condenser. The AC condenser is working perfectly. It was just the radiator on the connection with the hose that plastic was broken and leaking. Okay guys, so got one more part in the mail. That was yesterday night, and it's the grill. That is the original grill for this, but I will be painting that black. As you can see, the headlights look pretty cool, so let me get this thing installed. Okay guys, so I will need to be removing the headlights because the grill goes behind the headlight, so that's what I'm gonna do. So now I'm headed to my local auto parts. I need to go get the bolts for the muffler guys. This is the nut that replaces it, but I'm gonna get 4 of these and 4 bolts, so I could bolt on the new muffler. Well, not new to me, but it came out of SRT8. I think it's like a 2012, 2013, something like that. Same body style as this one, but the other one was an SRT8. I also got a lot of parts from that same vehicle that was wrecked in the front. I have the rear bumper, the red one. I think you've seen it, but it's damaged also. But since it's fiberglass, I could easily get that fixed with more fiberglass and a little bit of Bondo. But yeah, so the muffler, that's what we're doing right now. So see you guys in a bit as soon as I get them. Okay, so this is the muffler. This is the muffler for the SRT8 that came off the SRT8, and it's gonna come out through here and go under here. So as you can see, we're gonna remove that one. Well, we started removing that one, and we're gonna install that one. So these are the bolts that I was talking to you guys earlier. As you can see, they're fixed to the muffler right there, so I needed those to replace these ones. Okay, so the original muffler is off, so it's open, as you can see. So there's only one thing to do now, and that's to test it out. So let's hear this monster, guys. And it still sounds like a Honda. It sounds like a Honda. So we're checking this out, and it seems that everything's gonna go back in place as if it was already installed in this one. There it is, installed. Let me show you guys. Everything goes in place like it was made for the B6. So yeah, that's good. Now it's time to install the bolts. As you can see, those are the bolts that I bought. Now I gotta do this side also. So I'm pretty sure they work. There it is. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Okay guys, so I slapped the bumper on just to make sure they're centered. I still gotta mess around with the centering, but looks good. As you can see, the bumper is damaged, but I'll be repairing that. So let me know what you guys think. I think it looks pretty cool. So you'll be hearing the real sound right now. Go check it out. Okay guys, so are you guys ready to hear this monster? Go check it out. I think it sounds better than I thought. That was gonna sound like a Honda Civic with some cherry bombs or something like that, but I honestly think it sounds better. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section.
Get $25 off your next purchase of Armor Shield 9 using promo code Cali25.
So put a lot over there and put some over here. There it is, guys. Check it out. That's the difference between Armor Shield 9 and just regular.
Get $25 off your next purchase of Armor Shield 9 using promo code Cali25.